comes with a nice gloves, like a mitten. Good. Okay, what is this? Yeah, here's the opening. Close, open, close. Let's see. Okay. There's a handle inside. Okay, this is the handle. See the spring? Nothing inside. Let's see what is fit. This can be used as a heater or stove. If you put this one, it's like a heater. Yeah. So if you put this, you can use as a heater. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, it's hot. Okay. Turn off. When it's ready, I can start cooking. I have a creamy mushroom. I'm going to make a creamy mushroom broccoli soup. You have to keep stirring, otherwise it will get burned. Creamy mushroom broccoli soup is ready now. Let's see how heater is working. You can see this is minimum, this maximum. You can see the color, red color. See, so you can use as a heater in the winter time, and also you can cook on the top, or you can cook directly. If you want to cook on the top, just open this one and you can cook on the top. So much heat coming out. It looks like more than the body heater, but I don't know how long the gas bottle is going to last. You can cook on the top. At the same time, there are so much heat coming out around the stove, so it's very difficult if you are cooking in the summertime, but winter time it should be okay. But in the summertime you don't need this part, right? Just close it and take this out. You can cook directly on the top. As I showed you earlier, there's so much heat. I'm going to turn off. Alright, this is all about this stove. If you like this stove, you can order it on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below.